In this video, I will show you how you can perform a hard reset on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now in today's video, I'll perform the hard reset process using recovery mode. Now to do that, first of all, just open the quick settings, and from here just tap on the power icon and select power off. Now once your Samsung phone is completely powered off, the next step is just grab the charging cable of your phone. Now just make sure that your charging cable supports data transfer. If your charging cable does not support data transfer, this method will not work. And after you do that, now just plug in one end of the cable to your laptop or to your PC. Now you don't have to do anything on your laptop or on your PC. Just connect one end of the cable to your laptop or to your PC. Now just grab the other end of the charging cable, and before you plug in the other end of the charging cable to your phone, just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time while you plug in the cable into your phone. Just like that. Just press and hold the power button and the volume up button. And as you plug in this cable into your phone, just press and hold both of these buttons until your phone enters into recovery mode. And once your phone enters into recovery mode, from here just press the volume down button and select Wipe Data Factory Data Reset and press the power button to confirm this action. Now before we continue, I would like to say that by performing a factory data reset, you will delete all the data from your Samsung phone. So make sure you back up your data before you complete this process. Now once you have backed up your data, just select Factory Data Reset and press on the power button to complete this process. Now once you have completed the hard reset process, from here just press the power button to reboot your phone. And as you can see, we have successfully done a hard reset on our Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.